दाबोळे विमानतळार दुबयच्यान गोंयांत येवपी फ्लायटांत सुमार 2.5 किलो म्हणजे 70 लाखाचे भांगर केंद्रीय अबकारी खात्यान जप्त केला। हे भांगर विमानात लिपोवन हाडिल्ले अशी माहिती SK सिन्हा हांणी दिल्या। आरडेस्को खातीर दाबोळेच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
Affected from the morning flight AI 994 that comes from Dubai. This is a Dubai, Goa and Bangalore flight. So we found our officers on the in the event of rummaging, they found it inside the toilet. It was all that was packed in 3 black plastic bags.
What, sir?
All these items constitutes 2.5 kg of silver jewelry, including 3 gold biscuits.
What's amount?
Approximately 65 lakhs.
It is gold.
Gold.